Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. I have an unboxing for you today. If you buy goods, you may know exactly where this is from. It's from Fashionphile.
Yeah, Fred stopped by from UPS today.
And I'm
You
my
laughing
husband.
at his name?
My husband got me this to use to open up my packages because he apparently
Because we've
thinks,
seen her struggle.
yeah, he thinks I'm safer with a razor blade than a scissors.
We're just hoping it's quicker. We don't mind the blood. It's just we just hope it's quicker.
You are just full of it today.
Well, I'm back.
You're back.
There was one filmed without me.
Again. Yeah, I did. It needed to be done. It was about the men wearing bags. All right.
Almost, and we were at a minute. Almost a full minute plus to
Okay.
open the box.
So, I am unboxing this because I can't wait to see it, and I figured I might as well just unbox it with everybody, and I'm really super nervous. I have wanted a bag like this for a long time. I don't have one in my collection.
That's surprising.
And I really hope I like it. As much as I think I'm gonna like it. Before I was thinking, wow, the box is really light, but no, it's not. It's heavy, and this is heavy.
You've been working out?
Yeah. So, Fashionphile. Look at, I don't think I got any of the dots. No, I didn't. Kind of like that. No file either.
Dot free.
Comes in Fashionphile dust bag. I don't think it came with its own dust bag. Oh, no, that's all right. Because then I gotta just tuck them away anyways. Oh, and the Fashionphile dust bags are so nice anyways. So, you don't have one, so I'm just gonna...
Looks like a laundry bag.
Right?
You gonna show us? You're gonna
Yes.
keep looking? Okay, just checking.
Oh, and the reason that I'm not in my room is because
It's a mess.
What?
It's a mess.
No.
Oh.
Because I want... You're so funny. It's because I just want this bag to shine on its own.
Oh, that I'm a truth speaker.
I got
Oh my goodness.
this. This is a medium-sized Lady Dior. And it's got pink on the sides. And then it's fuchsia colored. And then the handles in the top part here is orange. And it comes with this leather strap that is removable.
So they just melted a bunch of crayons together.
And then they... Stuff I have to put up with. And inside here, that's really weird. It's like the stuffing is stuffed inside its own little bag. And the interior is a orange leather. So you just open it up and there is one zipper pocket here. And then the zipper pocket is pink. Or at least the zipper part. And there we have it. So I'll give you a little spin. Oh, she's so pretty. And she's got silver hardware.
Any feet? Oh, it
4
has
of them.
feet.
So there's the...
So it's a quadruped.
It's the back, side. Here's the front with the Dior, and I like it that the Dior is on an orange.
I thought that was a small handcuff at first.
You were wishing it was a small handcuff. No, but here's that. And then, yeah, it's got the silver hardware. It's got the little, like, charm on the bag there that says Dior.
Is that for our last name or no?
What?
Is that for our last name or for
Yes,
Dior?
it is.
Okay.
Oh, this is so nice.
So is it what you expected?
Yes. I am so pleased. Oh my gosh. And
Is that canvas or leather, the outside?
it's canvas. I mean, it's leather.
Calf skin, turtle skin, turkey skin?
Like, I believe calf skin. There's a little mark here, which I knew about. And I may try to clean that. I don't know if it'll come out or not, but I didn't really care because I'm like, I must have looked at the picture 10 times before I saw it. So I not a big standout. And what was there? I think there's a little bit of a mark here and here. Again, who cares? And the price was great, and I got it when Fashionphile was having their, was it like 10% off? And this was one of the bags. And what's really gotten me is I always knew I wanted a Lady Dior bag. I always knew I did. And Amelia Rose from Amelia Rose's Closet got that fuchsia pink one. And oh my gosh, that bag just made my heart sing. And you can't get it. I mean, it's nowhere. And she's not selling hers. I told her if she ever did, she should let me know. Truth be told, it'd be a little small for me and what I like to carry. And then she got the yellow Dior saddlebag, and then she got the fuchsia Dior saddlebag, and then she got that beautiful sequined bag. And there's something about this sound right here. It's just ASMR for me. She does that when she picks up her bags, and I hear that, and I'm just like, I have to have that sound in my life. I have to have it. And I'm like, that I saw the Fashionphile sale. I saw this bag in there, and it was already reduced, and then it got reduced more with my percentage. Great price. Half the time, it seems like, not even half, probably more than half the time, you can find stuff on the Real cheaper than Fashionphile. But no, this was cheap. It was marked as very good. Like I said, it just had that little mark right here, which I'm gonna see if I can do anything with, but if I can't, I don't care. And I knew the colors. I knew she was my baby.
So what'd you say her name was?
I didn't say what her name was.
No, not the purse, the person.
Amelia Rose.
She's on the list now.
No. But, oh, just that. I know it's crazy, but...
Weird things you learn about your wife for 100, please, Alex.
Right. Oh, my gosh. And the colors, I mean, the orange and the fuchsia colors. Oh, be still, my little beating heart. Stop shaking your head. So I am just so excited about this. I don't know what it is. My favorite color is green. Followed very closely by orange. And then I would say this color, this like kind of fuchsia. And then purple probably tied. But there is something about a fuchsia colored bag that just, I don't know. And orange. I mean, and then you put the two together. Like, we don't have to look at the sides. The sides are fine.
Yeah, they come off, I mean, they're a little more pink in person versus the camera.
Oh, okay. They're more pink and okay. Yeah, the pink, it's fine. No one has to look at that. Just listen to that. Oh, listen to me move my bag around. Oh, let me open this for you. I am just in love with this bag. I am just in love. And I love the size. I do think that the small would be too small for me. I just do. And I know that these can be a little fussy to get your stuff in and out of, because it's just this, it's more structured, and you pretty much gotta yank this baby apart to get in it. But, and then it's all leather inside. This bag is just a thing of beauty. And that smooth zipper. I'm in seventh heaven. So tag is coming off of this baby. She is mine. She is going to be well loved, and I couldn't be more excited. So, and what's orange? It's time for like orange and fall and all that. So,
Fall, y'all.
Yeah. Tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like the Lady Dior's? Sure took me a long time to get one and put one in my in my collection. I knew I always wanted one, but never quite got there. There was always something else that came first, and then I knew the time was right, and then I saw this, and I knew we were meant to be. The two of us, we just were. So that's my video for you today. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. If you could leave a comment, that's always awesome. I love interacting with everybody in the comments. Helps me get to know you guys a little bit better. You can find me over on Instagram at James Jam as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. And I put out videos twice a week. Usually it's like Wednesdays and Saturdays. Occasionally it'll be Tuesday and Sunday, but mainly Wednesdays and Saturdays. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.